Ready to unlock a world of Robux and premium perks with that Visa gift card burning a hole in your digital pocket? First things first, head over to the Roblox website and log into your account. Make sure it's the account where you want to redeem that gift card. Now navigate to the Robux Purchase page. You can usually find this by clicking on the Robux icon at the top right of the screen, or by going to the premium membership page if you're looking to subscribe. Choose the amount of Robux you want to buy, or select the premium subscription option that suits you best. This will then take you to the payment screen. Look for the option to pay with a credit or debit card selected. Even though it's a gift card, these cards are treated the same way. Okay, now carefully enter all the information from your Visa gift card. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code, and your billing information. Make sure you use the address associated with your gift card if you did not register an address with the gift card. Use your current address. Type it all incorrectly, because if you don't, it won't work. After hitting submit, give Roblox a moment to process the payment. If all goes well, you should see a confirmation message saying your purchase was successful. Congratulations! You've just unlocked a whole new Roblox experience. But sometimes things don't go as planned. If your card is declined, double check all the information you entered. Make sure the card has sufficient funds to. Also, some gift cards need to be activated online before use, so make sure that's done. And if you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support or the gift card issuer for assistance. They might be able to help you figure out what's going on or provide some other options. Now you can enjoy your Robux and start customizing your avatar, buying cool items, or diving into exclusive premium features. Have fun!